This is a video to demonstrate the possible errors or alarms on this system and how to clear them. The catalyst part of this system can have up to 7 different alarms. 1. Power interrupted during formula. When power is lost while running a formula, the machine will show this error. To clear, first fix the issue and then press yes to continue the formula. 2. Low air pressure. When the air pressure drops below 65 psi during a chemical injection, the machine will show this error. To clear, first make sure the air pressure gets above 65 psi and then press yes to continue. If a formula is not running but the air pressure is below 65 psi, the system will display low air pressure with no alarm. 3. Chemical watchdog. When the flow meter senses that a chemical is out, a sensor is jammed, or an injection is taking too long, the machine will show this error. If this is a catalyst system error, the chem button should be flashing. If a machine button is flashing, then it is a machine error where the machine did not answer the chemical request. If multiple buttons are flashing, clear the machine errors first. If it is a catalyst system error, clear it by entering the level 7 password to reset the system. If the system was out of chemical, change the drum and prime it before beginning normal operations by holding down the yes key. If the system was not out of chemical and the alarm is triggered again, it is most likely a hardware error, which is addressed later in the video. 4. Chem meter flush. This alarm is similar to the chemical watchdog alarm but occurs during the metered flush after the injection. When the flush takes too long, the machine will show this error. To clear, enter the level 7 password to reset the system. 5. Flush water tank error. When the flush water tank is low at the start of an injection, the machine shows this error. To clear, disable the system by pressing the ENT and No at the same time keys, then fix the problem and restart the injection. 6. Calibrations do not match. When the system checks the calibration value in the REM K4 and compares it to the value held in the flow mem card in slot 5 and they do not match, the machine will show this error. If the flow mem was replaced, the calibrations will need to be copied to slot 5. If the REM K4 was replaced, the calibrations will need to be copied from slot 5. To copy calibrations, please see the video copying calibrations. 7. Check chemical tanks. When input S7-07 is on to inform of low levels in day tanks, the machine will show this error. To clear, disable the system by pressing the ENT and No keys and fill the tank. This system can also have 6 hardware errors. 1. Memory card corrupt. If the display looks like this, power the system off, then power it back on, and enter the machine setups. If this does not fix the problem, then the memory card is corrupted and should be replaced. Note: the formulas, vocab, and calibrations should be downloaded from the computer. 2. Checksum error. When the setups on the memory card do not match the setups on the REM, the machine will show this error. Enter the level 7 password, and the valid setups. If this doesn't fix the problem, replace the memory card, or the REM K4, or both. 3. Flow sensor input error. This indicates that during the machine setups the flow sensor setup question was set to no, and the machine will show this error. Re-enter the setups and change to yes. 4. EEPROM error. If the display shows this message during startup, it indicates that the EEPROM doesn't have the correct setups. To fix, enter 935483 and enter invalid EEPROM setups. 5. Code 73 error. If the display shows this message, enter in the level 7 password and the system will be allowed to operate for about a day. Call Softrol tech support at 1-888-763-8765 or 888-SOFTROL, extension 110, to clear. 6. Chemical watchdog. When the flow meter senses that a chemical is out, a sensor is jammed, or an injection is taking too long, the machine will show this error. If the alarm is due to hardware issues, please refer to the video clearing a chemical watchdog error. The machine interface can have 6 errors that it displays. 1. Power interrupted during formula. When the power is lost to the interface while running a formula, the machine will display this error. Press the Yes key to resume the formula. 2. Machine disabled. When the power to the washer is turned off while the interface is running a formula or the input number 1 of the interface is not on, the machine will display this error. Press the Yes key once the washer is powered. 3. Chemical watchdog. When the interface has requested chemical and the system has not responded, the machine will show this error. Enter in the level 5 password and press the Yes key to continue. If the system does not answer the chemical request, then there might be a problem with the system or the network. Also, check the chemical watchdog time in the setups. 4. Invalid formula. When the interface is asked to run a formula that is not currently programmed, the machine will show this error. Press CLR, and, No, and, ENT simultaneously or, No, to exit. 5. Invalid formula request. When the interface, in the waiting for formula state, receives the latch input without a valid formula number, the machine will show this error. Press CLR, and, No, and, ENT simultaneously or, No, to exit. 6. Invalid injection request. When the interface, in the waiting for formula state, receives binary inputs without the latch, the machine will show this error. Press CLR, and, No, and, ENT simultaneously or, No, to exit. This concludes the possible errors or alarms video for the Catalyst LTLF system. Thank you for choosing Softrol Systems.